Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Nissan Frontier, full guide. Position the truck on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels securely. Locate the manufacturer jack points near the frame and lower control arms, then prepare your jack and stands. Lift the vehicle slowly in short increments, place jack stands under the recommended points, and lower onto stands while checking stability and wheel clearance continuously. In this video, I will show how to jack up Nissan Frontier, full guide. Find the reinforced jack point on the frame or axle housing and align the jack saddle so it contacts solid metal. Raise the jack slowly until it makes firm contact, then lift until the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Pause periodically to check that the truck remains level and never crawl under the vehicle without secure jack stands in place. In this video, I will show how to jack up Nissan Frontier, full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use between jobs to keep snacks clean and hands free from grease. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to jack up Nissan Frontier, full guide. After lifting, place jack stands under the manufacturer recommended points and lower the truck slowly onto them. Make sure the stands sit squarely and the load transfers fully from the jack to the stands. Remove the jack only after verifying stability and double-check that the parking brake is engaged and wheel chocks remain in place before performing any maintenance beneath the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.